This is the Teslong TD500 borescope. Let me show you why this thing is actually useful. It's got an articulating camera so you're not just looking straight. Let's check inside of this engine. I'm gonna pull the ignition coil. Let's remove the connector. Now the bolt. Now we can remove the ignition coil. Now let's take out the spark plug so we can see inside the cylinder. Now we drop the camera down in. And this is where it gets good. Right here, you can see the valves. And I can rotate and check everything without tearing the engine apart. Look at the fuel injector, it's got carbon buildup all around it. And behind the intake valves, it's even worse. This is super common on direct injection engines. This is why a tool like this is worth having. No guessing, you actually see the problem. I'll link it below if you want to check it out.